Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically turn off your legacy username badge. So what that basically means is that it's like a username that you've used in the past and you've changed it. So go to user settings and go to profiles here. Then you are going to scroll down, I think. Oh, it's here. Scroll down under about me. There's going to be a legacy username badge, and you're just going to turn it off and on. So to enable it, you're going to select enable, and then to turn it off, you're just going to disable it. And that's how you can turn off your legacy username badge on Discord. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.